Rose, what day is it today?
Slime.
It's Family Day. Are we making something today?
Yeah.
What are we making?
Family Day slime.
Family Day slime. So today is Family Day, and we are gonna be doing a little experiment. So we need to have our safety glasses, right, Rose?
Yeah.
Safety is our #1 priority. So we're making a food-safe kind of slime that you kids can play with, because there are some slime recipes, but sometimes you're using harsh chemicals and you gotta watch out. You know, your kids might end up getting that in their mouth. So what are we making, Rose?
Slime.
Yeah, we're gonna make some slime. Okay, Mama, you got your safety glasses on?
I'm ready. Are you ready?
Are you ready, Rose?
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's make some slime. Let's go. Okay, Rose, so what are our ingredients today? We have our fiber, what is this? Oh, that's the French side. Psyllium husk. That's our main ingredient. And what's our other ingredient?
Yeah.
Water.
Water.
Water, and we all have our individual waters.
Slime.
This is your water, Rose. Mama, is this Mama's water?
Yeah.
Yeah, Mama's water.
Thank you.
And
Who's this guy?
Dad.
that's my water.
It's Mario.
Okay, so how do we do this?
So 1 scoop of tablespoon, this one.
Of psyllium husk.
And just mix with 1 cup of water. And maybe we want to add color.
We want to add some color.
Dada.
Yeah.
Shall we choose?
Oh, yeah.
Whoa, look at all the colors. What colors do you want?
Yeah.
You want red?
Oh,
I want green.
what?
I want green.
What is that?
Yeah. How do you say this color?
I am Yori.
Yeah, midori. That's green.
I'm Yori.
Arigato.
And blue for Mama. You want red?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, so what's the first step?
Get this out.
This is our psyllium husk.
So,
Okay.
it's okay. This is for you, Rose, and this is for you.
This is my slime bowl.
Give me first.
1 tablespoon.
Papa?
Okay. One tablespoon. Come. There you go.
Use your finger.
Yay. And then in the bowl. And tum. Now, next step.
It's
Water.
Water.
So, I have my water.
I'm a water.
Do you
Yeah.
need help?
Do you need some help to open it? There you go.
So I'm gonna pour this water, but little by little.
Oh, slowly. Okay, do you want to stir and I'll pour? Okay, a little bit of water and stir.
Mix.
Mix. Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, we're mixing.
Make sure bottom it does no powders to remain. Maybe I'm ready.
You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, your color is blue, yeah?
I am ready.
And you're having red?
I am Baba.
Green. Thank you. You want me to help you? Okay, you want to drop some in? Just a little bit. Oh,
Okay.
yay. Papa's gonna go green. Beep.
Ooh, you did a lot.
And then mix, mix,
Mix, mix,
mix, mix, mix.
mix, mix.
Keep mixing, sweetie.
I
Yeah, you do. Whoa, it's really starting to get thick.
Yeah, I think this is enough.
do. Mama, pink.
Pink, yes.
Okay, now next we gotta cook it, Rose. Are you ready to cook your slime?
Yeah.
You gonna jump down?
Yeah.
Fix your glasses. There you go. Come here, honey.
Brown.
Jump down. And here's your bowl.
What do it mean?
Now put that in the microwave.
Careful.
Okay, put it inside. Okay, now press 2.
2.
2.
Where? This one?
Yes. Now press 0.
Where?
0. And 0 one more time. And start. Yeah!
So you.
Just a few minutes.
It's mine.
But Rose, this is about safety.
It's baby. Yeah, you. Papa. It's mine.
Yeah? Oh, is it almost done? Whoa. It's really hot.
It's hot.
Yeah, it's really hot. So let's put it on the table. And we're gonna stir the hot slime. Okay, while we're waiting, I'm gonna put mine in. And it's going into the freezer for a little bit. Then we get to play with it. Ooh, it's warm. In the freezer with this one. Okay. And now we wait.
So
All
I
right.
think it should be ready to play.
You want to play with the new slime?
Yeah.
But I think it needs a little bit more time. What, maybe 10 more seconds?
10,
9,
8,
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's get it! Let's get the slime!
Cool eyes. That's mine.
That's your slime?
That's yours.
It's over. That.
That's
Oh.
your papa.
Is that my slime? Oh, green slime. You gonna grab it, Rose?
Try.
So the good thing about this kind of slime, if you make it, it's actually made from edible food products, so it's completely safe to let your kids play with. I would mention though that, well, it's fiber, so if your kid does eat it, probably might get the runs. So yeah, try not to eat it, but if they do actually end up ingesting some of it, it's completely safe. So this is fun, right, Rose? Yeah. Oh. So if you want to see more, hit that subscribe button. If you're feeling generous, hit that like button. And if you want to be part of the conversation, leave a comment down below. Otherwise, we'll see you in the next one.
Mama, no. Wake up!
Oh.